आज के टाइम ताजमहल बेच दूं आपको मैं मालिक हूं क्या उसका जो मैं बेचूंगा, और आप उसके मालिक बन जाओगे? यही मैं आपको कहने लग रहा मैं आपको ये बिल्डिंग बेच देता हूँ, मैं इसका मालिक ही नहीं हूँ, आप इसके मालिक बन जाओगे उस सेल लीड से। तो वो पहलवान लड़ रहे हो ना, एक ही जीतता है। दोनों तो जीत नहीं सकते, या ड्रा हो जाए।
In this case, I am challenging the MP not neither P1 and P2 lots before this on report. Let's say I purchased the property from one.
Purchase?
I have purchased the property from one.
Show me the title of your vendor. आप जिससे आपने खरीदी है वो ओनर था?
Not so he was the owner. I have filed
recorded in the revenue record as owner.
Recorded.
Land was shown to be in the name of central government. He was only a lessee. The property was leased.
Earlier owner was also that is correct. It was leased to one Chamru lordship in the year.
So property belonging to the government was leased out in favor of someone
lordship
on 99 years patta or 30 years patta,
lordship
something like that.
Lordship.
But that was a perpetual lease.
Lordship.
No ownership right was conferred upon your vendor. Your vendor could have transferred the same title which he was possessing. He was not the owner. He was only an allotee, lessee. Earlier, he could have transferred the title in your favor.
I am the third purchaser, Lordship.
100 purchaser also.
Lordship.
You could have purchased the same title which your vendor was possessing. Your vendor was not possessing valid title.
That document I have.
गवर्नमेंट की मैं आज के टाइम ताजमहल बेच दूं आपको मैं मालिक हूं क्या उसका जो मैं बेचूंगा, और आप उसके मालिक बन जाओगे जब मैं मालिक ही नहीं हूं? आपका वेंडर इस जमीन का मालिक ही नहीं था, वो क्या बेचेगा आपको?
He was having a sale.
Keep on purchasing some non-existing title.
Earlier owner was also purchased from someone.
Earlier owner was also not owner. His vendor was also not owner. Again, like the original owner was the government. Government gave this property on lease to someone. Instead of honoring that lease, he sold that land to subsequent person. And then sale per sale, you are the last vending. You are not the owner.
I was only owner as on the basis of sale deed, but from the root it has been.
विक्रेता का भी टाइटल होगा जब तो सेल डीड मानी जाएगी। मैं आपको कहने लग रहा मैं आपको ये बिल्डिंग बेच देता हूँ, मैं इसका मालिक ही नहीं हूँ, आप इसके मालिक बन जाओगे उस सेल डीड से।
So the case is only for the non-transferable endorsement has been given in the Khatra.
What type of endorsement you want? Once your vendor was not the owner.
But
आप एक चीज समझ रहे हैं ना? यदि मैं किसी चीज का मालिक ही नहीं हूँ, क्या मैं उसको?
I am understanding whether the revenue record there the name of the earlier owner
was reflected or not.
Reflected or not.
Show me that your vendor was reflected or not.
Time may be given for searching that document. Your lordship is correct. One for pointing out that point lordship.
तो वो पहलवान लड़ रहे हो ना, एक ही जीतता है। दोनों तो जीत नहीं सकते, या ड्रा हो जाए या ड्रा करा लो इसको।
4 week time may be given lordship for searching that the earlier owner whether their name was recorded in the revenue record or not.
Counsel for the petitioner seeks time to place on record relevant document to show that the vendor of the petitioner was recorded owner in possession of the property in question.
Serial number 2. Shri Safikul Lai. ये भी नहीं कर।
Also in this case my application under order 1-10 has been rejected lordship. I have filed a suit for declaration and injunction on the basis of adverse title. But during the
suit on the basis of adverse possession. Earlier it was not maintainable. It is only on account of latest judgment of the apex court that the plaintiff can maintain the suit basis on the basis of adverse possession. What was adverse possession sought by you in your claim in respect of only, not core rooms?
There was certain open
rooms were not owned by the defendant. Now you want to amend, thereby introducing a person. You have independent cause of action. Who are that person? File your independent suit if at all that is maintainable. It is a piratical right. डकैती का right है ये. Adverse possession.
Lordship.
What is adverse possession? I am not owner, but I will become owner of this property after 12 years of my
On the basis of
possession.
position of long
Hostile possession.
Lordship.
Earlier, this ground was not available to the plaintiff. It was a defense.
It
Ground
was
of
a defense of
only.
2014 judgment was there, and thereafter
And thereafter now
it was
suit
turned
has
down
been
in
filed.
2020 Lordship.
So, what is adverse possession sought?
I have
In
sought
respect of roof only,
of the shop Lordship. Lordship.
not shop, roof of the shop.
Roof of the shop Lordship.
So, on the roof of the shop, you are seeking adverse possession against a person.
Okay.
A person is not the owner of the shop. He had already sold.
A person has sold out the property during the pendency of the suit.
During pendency or
Pendency,
earlier?
नहीं,
No,
it has been reflected in page number
not during pendency.
2000 उन्होंने मेंशन जरूर किया है, but during the pendency बेचा 2022 में उन्होंने इसी has admitted that in the year 2020 the suit was filed in the year 2021.
Whether sale was effected, list pendants, then how you are affected? If anything done during pendency of suit is hit by doctrine of list pendants under section
My
52.
52 is there, Lord, but my submission affected degree could not be passed if the degree has been passed in favor of me or against him. It without including me.
Firstly, your basic suit is based on something which was earlier unearned.
Lordship.
Suit of declaration which is of adverse possession. All right, issue notice. This is your second case, otherwise you will go very heavy heart.
Lordship, short date may stay may be granted to
What say?
tomorrow proceeding Lordship.
What say?
Proceeding Lordship, tomorrow the case has been listed before the bench Lordship.
For you, why you have
For
heard this?
argument Lordship. For argument, final argument. Short date may be given for a staying
Counsel for the petition submits that
25 तारीख के लिए listed है मान Lordship.
the property in question was transferred to the proposed defendant during pendency of the suit itself, even though the transfer is hit by doctrine of lis pendens, but still in order to avoid multiplicity of litigation on the party, the proposed defendant can be pleaded as he is not less than a proper person. Even if not necessary party, is proper party, potential. Proper person of lead party. Issue notice till the next date of hearing. Passing of final order by the trial court shall remain stayed.
क्या आपको बिना जो है फाइल खोले आपको दिख जाता है किसके लिए?
सर मेरे पास फाइल नहीं है सर।
टेलीफोन लगा रहे हैं, टेलीफोन उठा नहीं रहे आप लोग, शर्म नहीं आती? क्यों, क्या हुआ टेलीफोन का?
इफ एनी कोई हो तो
इफ एनी क्या होता है? इफ एनी करने आते हो? आपको क्या बिल्कुल दिमाग का उपयोग नहीं करना है?